Boy's been gone, I think he's AFK. I'm surgical with this shit like it's training day. I know to need to recycle the ocean to be on our way. Giggity.
Ladies and gentlemen, is your favorite former pro hooper JT. Ladies and gents, he's back. My boy Juju is back on the scene. He is back, ladies and gents. Ladies and gents, we got ASAP Stewie and Quagmire Microwave. Ladies and gents, we ain't finna do no more chatting. We finna get right into this. Put your favorite bars from either person in the from Quagmire or ASAP Stewie in the comments, please and thank you. Let's get right into this. That's interesting.
I'm too cold, heated up microwave. Boy's been gone, I think he's AFK. I'm surgical with this shit like...
Boy is gone, I think he's AFK. No! 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 Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy. Oh my God. That's how you go open up. You're crazy. Yeah, keep going. That's crazy.
I'm too cold, heated up microwave. Boy's been gone, I think he's AFK. I'm surgical with this shit like it's training day. I know to need to recycle the...
I'm surgical with this shit is training day? Keep going already. Ooh, I gotta get, hold on. I already know I'm gonna get, all right, go ahead.
Boy's been gone, I think he's AFK. I'm surgical with this shit like it's training day. I know to need to recycle the ocean to be on our way. Giggity.
No. We got rat beef. We got rat beef. Yes. Yes. I'm with the ignorance. I am. I'm with the ignorance. I'm with the rat beef right now. Hey, all I'm gonna say is, oh my days. Oh my days. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Boy's been gone. I think he's AFK. I'm surgical.
Oh, that makes so much sense. Let's talk about Chloe's always been. Oh. Where my microphone? I gotta get my microphone. There's my microphone right now. Let's find out my microphone. Don DeMarco, bang, bang. It's going in crazy in here. Oh my God. Nah. That makes even more sense now. That's crazy. Keep going.
With this shit like it's training day. I know to need to recycle the ocean to be on our way. Giggity, I'm on a sea, bitch. Chucking on gallons of lead, bitch. Brookity mad cause it's gonna call me dad. And I put the goal on her spleen, bitch. Giggity, I'm a road dog.
Nah, son, cause this is bait. Nah. I just realized this is basically. Oh, nah, this is crazy, Juju. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. I'm here for the ignorance too, but you're crazy. You're crazy. You are crazy.
To be on our way.
Giggity, I'm on a sea, bitch. Chucking on gallons of lead, bitch. Brookity mad cause it's gonna call me dad. And I put the goal on her spleen, bitch. Giggity, I'm a road dog for show. I'm getting top from this bitch on a boat. I'm eating her flesh, she thought I was a crow. I'm just a designer from shoulder to toe.
Nah.
These bitches all smiling when I come around. I giggity, get her to my side of town.
Nah.
Stealing the money out of her account. My pocket's so heavy they're dragging me down. And all your best friends wanna do me. Money so long you stretch like Luffy. Make a bad bitch real ugly, doofy.
My salon should strike Luffy. You already throwing in anime bars, my boy. I'm already messing with that. I love them anime bars. Look here. I'm a little biased on that one because I love One Piece. I love One Piece. One Piece is the best anime out right now. I don't care what nobody says. One Piece is the best anime out. You can quote me on that. I don't care if you send comments about One Piece. One Piece is by far the best goddamn anime. I don't care what nobody says. But nah, he's going crazy right now. I'm here for the ignorance. Let's keep going.
Can turn a housewife into a groupie. Bitches be chasing, but I'm hard to catch. You know it's all giggity soon as we match. Her face in a pillow, I'm breaking her back. Legs up, wrist in her calf. I told her I love her, but that was all cap. She says she want this for life, but I'm tapped out on all that. Can't turn a hoe to a wife, that's not for quack. Can't turn a hoe to a wife, that's not for quack.
Bitch with the dues, my job me a new to wreck all these goose. Yeah, bitch wasn't news, he get with the crew. She slipping like Sue, we sipping some brews and popping a few. Tuck me a Tom, I'll stay on the news. Like what streets is shooting my shiggity.
Tuck me a Tom, I will stay on the news? Nah, son. Nah. Nah, son. Yo. I see why you want me to react to this, Juju. I see why you want me to react to this, Juju. You are crazy. You are crazy. I love it. Because, hey, oh, y'all just a little crazy. Sorry, I was creepy as hell. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I won't scare nobody. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. But I'm about to rap beef.
These goose, yeah, bitch wasn't news. He get with the crew, she slipping like Sue. We sipping some brews and popping a few. Tuck me a Tom, I'll stay on the news. Like what streets is shooting my shiggity shoes. The minute he said giggity goo, the blickety tends to call blickety boo. The trickety triggers will unleash the doom. Infinity bullets will empty the room. 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 We killing the kids of proximity too. Tick-tickety talk, I tell all the goo. We quickly dipping, we ziggity zoo. We lickety split disappearing by noon. We give it.
We literally split this pan by noon. Oh my God. He's saying we finna murk everybody and we just split by noon. I mean, I was that simple, but even still, it's just a fact. Like, nah, he dissing. Oh, damn, my fault. I'm a little too excited right now because Juju. I know you know what you're doing, but it's like you firing at him. Now, I'm being honest. If you don't understand by this point, I'm sorry. I don't tell you. But trust me, I know exactly what you're doing, Juju. And you're crazy. You're crazy. But hey, I'm all for the ignorance. I'm finna let it go. I'm finna let it go. Let's keep going.
Bitch, and we did get her woo. My giggity giggy got her in the mood. Stick you up my giggity like it was food. That sippity slide and the cheeks like pew.
I'm too cold, heated up microwave. Boy's been gone, I think he's AFK. I'm surgical with this shit like it's training day. I know to need to recycle the ocean to be on a wave.
Not gonna lie, Juju, playing a very dangerous game right now by doing what you're doing right now. Playing a very dangerous game. But hey, I am here for the ignorance. I am here for it. Because some stuff. I'm not gonna say what happened behind the scenes, but some stuff happened behind the scenes, and let's just say it's gonna get very dicey. That's all I'm gonna say. It may get very dicey, ladies and gents. I'm not gonna say what happened or how it happened. I'm just gonna say it's about to get very dicey in this motherfucker right now. And I'm gonna be honest, it might be damn near like, no, you might say it might be like Drake and Kendrick, but I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be that, but it might be World War III in this motherfucker with this. I'm not gonna hold you because you coming in, bow like that, Juju. My boy. Damn. I forgot to mention, I really like that beat too. That beat is fire. That beat is fire. Fire. Oh, my Lord, Lord, Lord. It's about to get violent. Ladies and gents. It's about to get crazy. But hey, ladies and gents. I want to say, put this is ignorant as hell, and I'm for the ignorance in the comments, but I don't I don't know. But hey, if you want to see a rap battle, put in the comments, please and thank you. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Is your favorite former pro hooper JT? We out here. Juju, you crazy. But keep going. Let's go.
Jerobi.